Hi guys, assalamu alaikum. Hope you all will be fine. In this video, we'll show you new fancy and stylish hijab party wear outfit ideas that you will surely love. You can see all type of beautiful and stylish fancy hijab designs. That you can wear in any event, day or night. Hijab dresses come in many styles like frocks, maxi dresses, but it's up to you what you like to wear. Glamorous hijab looks best at a wedding ceremonies. Because this type of hijab dresses will cover you up and make you look great in it. Along with this, there are styles and designs for women and for young ladies. To choose different hijab for different type of events. From this video, you can take ideas and design an attractive hijab dress for yourself for upcoming event. There are many places where you can purchase this type of hijab dresses. I hope you enjoyed today's video. Then don't forget to like and subscribe to this channel.